get into this video, I want to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. I wasn't in the mood to do a full spring lookbook because sometimes I feel like my outfits stray from what I would actually wear. I've recently found out that I can't really wear my contacts anymore. Styling glasses when you don't have to wear them is fun. Styling glasses when you have to wear them feels debilitating to me because I'm not used to it. I've been wearing contacts since I was like 11 years old, I think, maybe younger. Just trying to like get some good outfits so that I can outfit repeat for spring and spring weather. Spring weather can be so weird because I'm just excited for summer and I can dress too cold. Regardless, this is my first outfit. I actually already filmed this video and it was all out of focus, so we're refilming it and I already have the outfits kind of picked out, which, you know, makes things streamline a little better. I know sometimes you like to see me pick out my outfits. Bag is always my tried and true. My Poppy Listman. This little jacket I thrifted and I think it is so cute. I haven't worn it in real life and I love it with the trouser pants. I feel like it's a very spring appropriate outfit for where I am in spring, and the shoes are cute. It looks good with the glasses. I don't know, I just like my pixie better without glasses, which like is so annoying because it's literally making me want to grow out my pixie. I love the pixie. It is like with the glasses, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. First look, I love it. It's very cute, very casual, very comfy. Peachy Den pants I always wear. I feel like the Poppy Listman and the Peachy Dens are in every video or in everyday life. Also, if you see this little thing in my last video, I talked about it where I was out of focus. I literally thought this was ringworm and I texted my nurse friend and I was like, is this ringworm? But every time I like lift my shirt up and I see it, I'm like, is that ringworm? Next outfit. Here's the next look that I came up with. Lots of things to talk about here. First of all, I was never a button-up girl. I did not like how they looked on me, and I think for so long I didn't like how they looked because my chest was bigger, and I thought they made me look like triangular. I found like the right size now. I know how to style it. Figured it out. These are the Goldie jeans I keep talking about. They make any outfit look chic and like just cool girl, effortless. So I'm so obsessed with these. They're also so comfy. I wear them all day. I've slept in them for like a nap, not overnight. Same shoes, comfortable. And then because this outfit feels like very boring and kind of normal, not boring, just normal, I thought this like fun necklace could be cool and just like weird it up a little bit because I like to have like a little more fun with my outfits. And I think it just makes the whole thing a lot more like feminine and my style. But yeah, here's the next look. Like, it's so boring, it's so nothing, but like all the pieces together, the way everything fits, it makes it all good. This shirt's just thrifted, a Goldie, and then same shoes and bag. And then these glasses are Warby Parker. You guys recently saw them on me, so I can link these below for you guys also. I chose the ones you guys all said. This is like such not a look for me that I would show on camera, but it's definitely something I would put on in real life. I wanted to show it and kind of show like a little bit more of how I dress day to day. This sweater is from Elwood, and then this skirt was from a style bundle. And then we're gonna do the same shoes. And the first time I put this look on, I did it with my Moto boots, which I do think are really cute, but like day to day, this is what I would end up putting on. These looks are more following like my day to day looks, like running errands, going to activities, maybe even like hanging out with friends. But the looks I normally share on my channel are like plans, which is why I don't wear any of them because I have plans like once a month to do something, which is pretty good, I think, for being a mother. And I love how it looks with a little bit of a slouchier sock. It just looks so effortless but cutesy. Yeah, and again, I just like love these shoes with everything. They make everything so cool. I was like hemming and hawing about getting the black pair, but ooh, I had too much coffee this morning and not enough water yet. I don't really have anything to say. It's really cute. Oh, my tummy hurts. I like love this awkward length of skirt. I think there's something so like youthful about it, but not in like a creepy youthful way. If my daughter's wearing a skirt or a dress, like she's wearing something this length, you know, or longer. But it's cute. Next outfit. I love how the top and the pants look together. I think it's so flattering and chic. These pants are from Cezanne, and they're just like a little black kick flare, but I feel like they only look good Kitten Heel or my Everlane clogs, and like day to day I just can't wear that, so I wanted to see if I can make it work with these sneakers. Okay, so the sock pulled up actually, like not scrunched. Oh my god, look at that. Like, that's so soccer. Also, I feel like how so many girls are styling things. It's not horrible with the sneaker. Like, I would wear these pants with the sneaker. It's cute, and you can tell probably now that I do not mind. If anything, I actually like blue with black, like dark blue with black. So, I think it's cute. It's something where like, sometimes I put just like too much pressure on an outfit, where if it's not my favorite outfit in the whole wide world, I'm like, whatever, I'm just gonna wear joggers and a baggy t-shirt. Because I do feel really good in that, which is so silly. It's good. I'd wear this. Cute. It's different. And now that I know that these shoes can work with these pants, I feel like it changes everything. I think what I was doing wrong before is I was doing an ankle sock where you could still see that little gap of skin. And I always talk about this with boots and dresses or skirts. If you feel like you're looking shrunken, you want to elongate your leg, which I know we don't want to all the time, but if you do, try to get rid of that gap of skin. So have your boot under your dress, or like just meet at the dress. Yeah, because yesterday I tried this on and I did not like it, but I still wanted to show it to you guys, and that just solved the problem. It's like such a minute detail. Also, I'm getting more used to my glasses. I hope you guys don't mind them. I feel like I make such a big deal out of it, but I'm serious. They like really bug me. I love this top. From ThredUp, but J. Crew. And I also have it in white, but I want to switch the buttons on the white because they're gold buttons. And love it with the bag also. Sorry, I'm being chatty. Before we get any further into this video, let's take a quick minute to talk about Squarespace. I've used it as a portfolio for job searching, having my resume on there. I've used it as an online store. I've used it as a blog. Squarespace is so much more than just a website builder. A new feature on Squarespace is their design intelligence. It's 2 decades of industry-leading design expertise and cutting AI technology to unlock your strongest potential. It makes it so easy to design your website, figure out your branding, and have everything cohesive and all in one place. Squarespace also has a blueprint AI. You can start a fully custom on-brand website with their AI builder. It will ask you a few questions and take in all your answers, creating the most perfect website for you and your brand. It feels cohesive, it gives you options to play around with, giving you a website that just encompasses the feel of your brand. Ton of work, because building a website without Squarespace is impossible. I've tried it before, it's impossible. Don't try it, just use Squarespace. I know so many of you guys end up using Squarespace for online portfolios or job searching, which was one of my favorite ways. I know with the start of the new year, we have new hobbies or new things we want to try out, and online stores can be a big goal for the new year and can feel really intimidating, but Squarespace makes it easy. Showcase your products and customize your product listings with images, videos, reviews, related products, and add-ons that help you make more sales. The Squarespace commerce platform makes managing everything from inventory to sales and customers simple. Print shipping labels directly through Squarespace and save time when you're fulfilling orders. Having your own Squarespace website opposed to selling other places literally just cuts out the middleman. I really recommend it if you're an online seller for like vintage clothes or literally anything else, product services. So if you guys don't have your Squarespace website set up yet, you can use the link in my description box or go to squarespace.com/LaineyOzar to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using code LaineyOzar. Okay, and here's the last look. A lot more casual, but sometimes I like to, I don't know, just put like some thought into a more casual outfit like this. Love this t-shirt. I want it in every color. It's from Scarlet Sam, and it's literally just a basic t-shirt with really cute like stretchiness throughout it. Check them out, they have really cute stuff. I remember being obsessed with them during COVID. This shirt is so cute and it feels really nice quality. These are Depop Adidas track pants with just like a good colorway and a big hole that whatever. Same accessories, but I think it's a cute look. Yeah, sometimes I want to dress up a little more of a casual outfit. The pants are so wrinkled right now, but like they aren't steaming correctly because they're this material. Yeah, I think it's really cute. And the colors work. I think I'm gonna film a video right now going through one of my index style lookbooks so you guys can just see what goes through my head and the outfit formulas and how I create outfits with clothes that aren't mine, because that'll be fun. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to check out Squarespace. They'll be linked in the description box. I love you guys absolutely most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.